really, oh, let's see, go on, come on, start.
It's all right, cars.
We really appreciate it.
Yeah. I mean, thanks for coming. That's why I have a job. Is because you guys.
It's not just us.
Yeah. Nobody showed up. I wouldn't be doing this either. So.
Yeah, right.
Nathaniel, was that last one you? Or Hoover's in car 2? Or car 2? I don't think I've copied you yet. If you're ready. You guys been spectating at all?
No, we didn't come up here yet.
Right.
No, we did.
Yeah, 2 is up.
Copy Tyler. Sorry. I know Nathaniel was in there last time. Alright, we're gonna go hot. 4 cars, up brook, on gravel, back down the mile. So you guys like just show up here like pretty recently, or?
Yeah, we got here about 10.
Oh, cool, right on.
10, yeah. So we'll be coming for a few more rides.
Yeah, awesome. Yeah,
I got a couple other
cameras. Again.
Disappoint me.
You guys have expectations for all last year and stuff. So.
We drove 5 hours for this.
Heck yeah.
You can't disappoint.
I heard you scream over the first crest, and I didn't hear anything after that.
Myself. It's a little different from last year.
I think you did the first one in the front last year, and I think I did the other 2 in the rear.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I don't think you got the feel for the rear seat time. It's different in the rear. You see what's coming in the front, but in the rear, it's like you just feel it.
Yeah.
You're just like, whoa! I didn't expect that coming.
The course this year feels a lot more.
It's just because of where you are.
It's the same course, but then also like it depends on what time you came. Like,
right.
We've been running this and haven't tractored it since 9 o'clock, so like you have good grip as long as you stay in those tire tracks.
Right.
But like the first runs, like right after lunch, like after we kind of blade everything back in, like it's going to be more fun as far as like the car's going to slide around on you more, but your overall speed will probably be a little bit slower.
Yeah.
Good copy. We're going to have 4 cars going hot, opposite direction. Ready to get in the back?
I am.
It's just awesome to feel the capabilities of what this car can do.
Especially on the uphill.
Yeah.
I was just trying to see how late I can break into the first uphill corner. Let's try.
Yeah. Love it.
Then smooth climbing in. The next one's got a little bit deeper material onto it. So it can't go too wide.
Great.
Easy climbing out of it. Staying completely in the tire tracks here.
Multitasking, being co-driver and driver. I love it.
It's kind of like what we do for little tight through the right. A little bit harder on the landing than I wanted, but it was a good ride.
That was excellent.
Awesome, absolutely awesome.
That's probably the biggest air I've caught all day, which is why I landed just a little bit hard on the front. Sorry, Tim, if you ever see this video.
Right.
I do apologize.
We'll commit.
But as long as you guys had fun.
Oh, absolutely. We're going to be literally running back for the next set of tickets.
So how often do you compete?
Now ever since I bought a house, whenever a car becomes available, because all my money goes to my house.
Gotcha.
So the last one I did was like 4 years ago, but I still teach like every day, so I do get to drive in this manner every single day.
You got kids?
Okay.
I don't.
Oh boy, I cannot wait. I want to see that little rugrat.
Yeah. And I got a great area to train if I ever get lucky enough to have one day. But
Awesome,
we'll see.
awesome.
Yeah, thanks for coming. I'll see you guys
Thank
around.
you again.
How's it going?
Oh,
Awesome.
Oh, awesome. Absolutely awesome. We're going to run back for some more tickets.